this is it. It's coming to an end. If you guys have been keeping updated on my channel for the last 28 days, I've uploaded a brand new video every single day teaching you guys on how to trade the market for completely free. The reason on why I wanted to do this was because at the beginning of my trading journey, it was very hard to find reliable information on YouTube. So I always promised myself that one day I would give back to the community, which is why I went through this entire bootcamp series for you guys. If you haven't already, I highly suggest you go through and watch every single one of these bootcamp videos. There's so much value on this channel for completely free. And if you're not taking advantage of it, I don't know what to tell you. Plus I have over 700 videos on this channel also teaching you on how to trade for completely free. But this bootcamp, I went above and beyond and tried to give you guys the absolute best information out there. So again, I highly suggest you guys check out these bootcamp videos. So now, what is next? Before we get into that, I do want to talk about some trades that I ended up taking, talk about my reasoning behind them, which is also going to piece together everything we discussed inside of this bootcamp. So let's first start off by looking at a swing trade that we took on BRKB that went from 1.6 all the way to 3 overnight. So how do I pull this up? There it is. So if we go on to the daily time frame, ideally looking for more out of this trade, I would like to see 100% on this. But what I was watching on this BRKB was we had a very nice daily squeeze, which again, I talk about all the time, but we had a nice daily squeeze. Price came back down yesterday and retested that 21 EMA and had a very nice bullish reaction. So we ended up purchasing the 365 calls expiring September 14th, September 15th, whatever that third Friday of September is. And again, these contracts went from 1.6 all the way to 3 in just one single day. Ideally, what I'm going to be aiming for is this previous high at 364.50, but we've already locked in a decent amount of profits and our stop loss is now at break even. So if we come up to that 364.50, that's ideally what I would like to see, but an even better price target that I'm aiming for is way up here at this 368.67. So that was the first trade that I ended up taking. The second trade was a trade on SPY today that actually did 100%. So if we zoom out to the 1 hour time frame and let me actually pull up my pre-market watch list. If you guys don't know, I am live every single day on this YouTube channel and give you guys this watch list for completely free. I come up with it right in front of you so you guys are seeing how am I identifying these levels, why are they important. You can ask questions, so make sure you guys are tapping in every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. But as you can see right here, SPY looking for a reject at 451.5 up to 452. Why did I like that level? So we zoom out to a 4 hour time frame, we can see that 451.50 was this previous support point right here. So previous support and resistance, as you can see, resistance here, support here, support here, support here, and then we rejected this level multiple times. That's why I liked 451.5. But then if we head up towards 452 right here, you can also see that we have other price action at this level. We got very close here, we supported here, we rejected right there, we had support here. So that is why I like this entire zone right here. And again, I have a video on how to identify support and resistance zones. So this was my main reject area. Now with SPY, as it came up towards that 451.50 originally right here and started rejecting off the level, that is when I got my first entry. But I ended up adding to my position at the end of this third 15-minute candle. Now, why did I add to my position? So on TradingView, I don't know why it's showing that has higher volume. So looking at ThinkorSwim, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that this candlestick right here had very high volume. Obviously, that's going to be given the market just opened at 9:30 to 9:45. So very high volume right there. But then we had a very large bullish candle on this 15-minute time frame with lower volume right here. So that was the warning sign and price was coming up to a key area. And then as price closed on this third 15-minute candle with lighter volume, that is when I added to my position with a stop loss above 452, which was the top of my resistance zone. And again, we talk about this in the volume class. Typically, 3 decreasing volume candlesticks in a row of the same color is going to be a reversal pattern. That's typical on any time frame, the daily, weekly, 5-minute, 15-minute, whatever time frame you are using. This is a very common reversal pattern. Decreasing volume of candlesticks that are the same color. It works with red candles and it also works with green candles. So that is why I added to the position, and I was able to catch this all the way down into 450 for a beautiful, beautiful trade. Now, the final trade that I took for the day, it was a quick little scalp. It wasn't anything crazy, But again, we talk about fair value gaps inside of this boot camp. You can see that as price flushes to the downside, it bottoms out right here. What do we get right here? A nice fair value gap. So I drew in the fair value gap. I told everybody that I was watching around this 450.2 area. Now, why did I like this area? Because it was the midpoint of the fair value gap. Again, we talk about this, measuring this low to this high right here, giving us the halfway point. We had VWAP, we had the 21 EMA, and on this 5-minute candlestick right here, it was a very large candle, however, very weak buying volume on it. So we ended up getting short, and I was able to catch a nice little scalp down into this 2-minute fair value gap, and then I did get stopped out of the remainder of the position. So this is where my first price target was. Ideally was aiming for low a day. So as price came down towards that fair value gap, that is when I got my first trim off. And as we started to break above that 450.35, that's when I fully exited the position. So nothing crazy on this trade, but the BRKB swing was absolutely beautiful. And then the first SPY trade was absolutely beautiful. So those are the recaps from today. But now going forward, wrapping everything together, I mean, you guys have all the information that you need to become a profitable trader. All you guys have to do is now put in the work. And again, I'm going to keep saying it. Make sure to take advantage of this bootcamp because it is going to go private very, very soon. So take advantage of it while it's still up, but also take advantage of the 750 other YouTube videos that I have on this channel. So if you take advantage of everything that is posted here on this YouTube channel, plus checking out my first book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon, that is 450 pages, goes over a lot of information that was not taught inside of this boot camp. But then also on top of that first book, make sure you're checking out my second book that is releasing this Sunday, The New Age of Day Trading. This one is going to be an absolute banger. This one is, I think, like 330, 350 pages, something like that. But this one releases this Sunday. So if you're taking advantage of everything on the YouTube, the first book, 450 pages, the second book, around 330, 350 pages, you're going to be able to build a very solid foundation for your trading. Hopefully it helps you out a lot. So again, make sure you are marking your calendar for this Sunday. Again, the New Age of Day Trading will be releasing on Amazon. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys did find a lot of value throughout this bootcamp. I do have one more bootcamp video uploading tomorrow. And the final time I'm going to say it, make sure you guys are taking advantage of it before it goes private. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's final bootcamp video.